Hi everyone and welcome to this new video on our YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about how to use video marketing to promote your business online. Video marketing is an increasingly popular digital marketing strategy that uses videos to promote an online business. By using video marketing, you can create engaging and compelling content that captures your audience's attention and helps you achieve your business goals. Here are some tips on how to use video marketing to promote your business online. Before creating any video content, it's important to know your target audience. Conduct thorough market research to understand who your potential customers are and what they are looking for. To succeed with video marketing, it's important to create engaging video content that captures your audience's attention. Use a clear and convincing presentation of your product or service and offer added value to your customers. There are many different video platforms, such as YouTube, Vimeo, and TikTok, that you can use to promote your business online. Choose the platforms that are most suitable for your target audience and marketing needs. Social media is a great way to promote your videos and reach your target audience. Use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to share your videos with your network and increase the visibility of your business. Video can help improve the SEO of your website. Use relevant keywords in the titles and descriptions of your videos to increase the visibility of your site on search engines. Now that you understand how to use video marketing to promote your business online, all you have to do is put these tips into practice and improve your business. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.